Question number 8, we have here the diagram shows the triangle ABC. The diagram shows the triangle ABC which has angle of B here, which is right angle. This angle is right angle. The length of AB is 8. Length of AB is 8. You can see this length of AB is 8. This one, this total from here to here, and the length of BC is 4. Point D on AB is such that AD is equal to 5 centimeter. This one is 5. The sector DAC is part of the circle. So, this sector DAC, this one is part of the circle. Find the perimeter of the shaded shape. So, we are looking for the perimeter. For that, you mean we need this one actually. Sorry. Okay, so we need the length of AC and then this circular arc, right. Find the perimeter. To the perimeter, so first of all, for the perimeter we will need the length of AC. So, length of AC is here, this one from here to here, this one, the arc length and the length of AC, right. To find out now this length of side, this AC, we will need the angle theta. So, if we will start with the given thing, what are you given? We are given this right angle triangle here. So, let us say this angle is theta 1, I am just giving name theta 1, right. So, if we give this angle as theta 1 in this right angle triangle, we will have, so this is adjacent and this one is opposite, right. So, we can use SOHCAHTOA here. So, for that I am going to take here tan theta 1. So, I am taking tan of theta 1, which is going to be opposite. We are using this one, opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 4 and adjacent is 3. So, this comes out to be from here theta 1 is going to be tan inverse of 4 over 3. Just plug in the values in calculator, then you are going to get it is 0.7827. This is in radians actually. Remember that this angle is in radian. So, then theta 2. Theta 2 is this angle here. If you see, this one is this one here is theta 2. So, theta 2 is now, you see this whole angle is pi and theta 2 is going to be pi minus theta 1, that is pi minus 0.827, that gives us 2.21 radians, right. Now, let us find out the arc length. The arc length is going to be arc length of AB, LAB is r theta when theta is in radian. So, r is 5 because this is part of the circle. So, theta radius is 5 and then theta we have 2.21 times 2.21, that gives us 11.07 centimeters, right. So, now we are looking for the perimeter of the this so, perimeter is going to be length of AB plus length of the line AC. So, length of arc we have found 11.07, then we need AC, but we still do not have AC, right. So, let me just put it equation 1. Now, to find out AC, now we can take this full triangle from here, right. So, then AC is going to be by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to So let me write down here, AC square is equal to 8 square plus 4 square, this the whole length 8 and plus this 4. So this is 64 plus 16, which is 80, and AC is going to be square root of 80, right. So that we are going to use over here. So then this perimeter is going to be 11.07 plus square root of 80. So this comes out to be 20.0197, and we can write down 20 centimeters, right. So this is the perimeter of shaded region. Now next one, find the area of the shaded region. Now we are looking for the area of this shaded region, this blue part. So we are directly going to use the formula. Now if you see, we can find out the area, then area of this triangle. So if we find out the area of this part of the circle, this part of the circle from here and here, this one, let me choose another color. If we are taking like this part, what happened? If we are taking this part from here to here, right, and then we subtract the area of this triangle, then we are going to have this shaded part, right. So let's do that one. So area of shaded part, required area is going to be half r square theta minus area of the triangle, which is half AB sine theta, right. Half radius is 5 squared, theta we got 2.21 minus half AB, the radius both sides is same, and the sine of 2.21. Just plug in all these values in calculator, you are going to get 17.7 centimeters squared. So that's it for this question. Now the next one, let's see, we have a question from functions. The function fx is defined by fx equals to negative 3x squared plus 2 plus x for x less than negative 1. State the range of fx, right. So for fx, range is the y value, you know that range is the y values of the function, y values of fx, right. So for that fx, we have fx is negative 3x squared plus 2. So let me take the value at negative 1, x is less than or equals to negative 1. Let's see, at negative 1, the value of this is going to be 3 minus 1 squared plus 2, that is going to be negative 1, right. And f, if I take f minus 2, then this is going to be 3 and negative 2 squared plus 2, that is 4, 4 times 3 12, 12 plus 2, negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10, right. So now the maximum value here, if you see, for this one is going to be less than or equals to 1. So that is going to be the range of this. Now if we take the graph of this, so negative 1 is here, so x negative 1 is here, so here the graph is going to be like this, right. So that means our graph is going this way. So this is the value of x equals to 1, negative 1, right. Then the maximum value is going to be less than or equals to 1. So range is going to be fx less than or equals to negative 1. So which is very clear from here, actually this is just to make you guys understand. Find an expression for f inverse x. Now we have fx is negative 3x squared plus 2. Let's say this is equal to y, we can substitute that I mean just replace fx by y. Now let's make y this x the subject. Minus 3x squared divide by minus 3 divide by minus 3. So from here we are going to have x squared is equal to y minus 2 over negative 3, right. So we can also merge this side negative sign. So I will write 2 minus y over 3, right. So then we can write down x will be plus minus square root of 2 minus y over 3. Now as domain is less than or equals to negative 1, so then x we will take only positive sign. So x is going to be minus 2 minus y over 3. So this is going to be the answer. Now part C, the function g is defined by gx equals to negative x square minus 1 for x less than 1. Solve this equation. So f of gx. Now let me rewrite here fx. Our fx is negative 3x squared plus 2 and our gx is minus x squared minus 1. Now f of gx, I am just rewriting, g of fx plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the equation that we are looking for. Now let's find out first of all f of gx. F of gx means we are replacing here gx, f, then gx is negative x squared minus 1, right. So then we will go back here for fx. So just replace this x by now negative x squared minus 1. So this is going to give us negative 3 into negative x squared minus 1 squared plus 2, right. So then negative 3, we can expand this bracket. Okay, so this is negative, you see, notice one thing, this is negative and square, that is going to be positive. So I am just changing sign to make it easier. This is negative 3 into, then we have x4 plus 2x squared plus 1 plus 2. So this is negative 3x4 minus 6x squared minus 3 plus 2. So this is negative 3x4 minus 6x squared minus 1, right. So now f of gx, this is our f of gx. Now we will look for g of fx. G of fx is, we are just taking, replacing fx by negative 3x squared plus 2, then minus 3x squared plus 2 squared minus 1. So this is minus 9x4 plus 12x, actually minus this is going to be minus 12 x squared plus 4, there is a bracket here, minus 1. So rearrange everything, we are going to get 9 x4 plus 12x square plus 5, right. So now we are going to plug in all these values. So from equation 1, f of gx is minus 3x4 minus 6x squared minus 1 minus 9x4 plus 12x squared plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0, right. Now expand these, negative 3x4 minus 6x squared, this is nothing, minus 1 plus 9x4 minus 12x squared minus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. So rearranging 6x4 minus 18x squared plus 12 equals to 0, divide by 2, this is 3x4 minus 9x squared plus 6 equals to 0. Then let's say now this is called x power 4, so we can put x square as y. So this will become 3y square minus 9y plus 6 is equal to 0. So use quadratic formula for that. Minus 9 plus minus b square is negative 9 squared minus 4ac over 2a, right? Now this is going to be 9 plus minus, this is 81 minus 72 over 2 times 3. So this comes out to be 9 plus square root of 9, that is 3 over 6. So we have y is equal to 2 and 1. So for this corresponding value we have we had x square is equal to y. So x square is equal to 2 and x is equal to plus minus square root 2. Now x square is equal to 1, x is equal to plus minus 1. So as x is less than or equals to negative 1, so therefore our values of x are negative 1 and negative square root 2. So this is the final answer, right? That's it. I hope you guys understood. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends.